Hi guys, we are hiking today back on the Great Wall of China at Mutanyu, and we are with the international Wall students, and they are hiking between Watchtower 6 and Watchtower 10. So I am currently at Watchtower number 8 in Mutanyu. The weather is pretty bad today. Last weekend it was glorious sunshine and blue skies. Today it's a bit grim. So just walking up to the wall at Mutanyu. Kids are behind me. They're kind of navigating themselves. I'm going to meet them up top. And a coffee next to this noise. It's cold here today actually, it's not very good, but coffee warming me up. Anyway, I'm going to go up here and see if I can find some students. I am at Watchtower 8. So I'm going to, if you look at the back there's a map as well, so it tells you where I am. Watchtower 8. Although my eyes aren't very good so I can't read it very clearly. But anyway, I'm here. There's a little coffee shop here. We are here today on the Great Wall of China, and we are hiking with the international award students. Little expensive little coffee shop. Little coffee shop on the wall. This is Watchtower number 8. Nice lunch spot. Nice spot for lunch. You see Miss Uma? A bit of the wall that's being renovated. We are at Watchtower number 9. And you can see the cable car. And you can see the cable car going down the valley. So the Duke of Edinburgh Award, Great Wall hike. Kids have kind of navigated the map road off the ticket, as you can't get a map in China. So DV is pretty hard here to actually make it authentic in China is not easy. But we do what we can, and kids enjoy it and they like the challenge, and we like hiking in different places. This isn't a particularly challenging hike, and it's not particularly wild, but it's good for them to come out, carry their heavy packs, practice, and then go back to school. And then we do a bus out, bus back, and sleep and camp in the school grounds, which is about as much as we can do at the moment. So anyway, we try. So go DV, go Duke of Edinburgh kids.